Hey, what's up guys, Vic here with PhoneArena, and today we're comparing the video recording capabilities and the cameras in general on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus on one hand and last year's Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So what are the differences? Now the first new option that we want to demonstrate is the new zoom-in mic on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So now I'll step back a bit and the phone will zoom in. So let me know if you can hear me clearer on the Note 10 Plus in comparison to the Note 9. So here I am further away, and when you zoom in, the audio also amplifies on the Note 10 Plus, while you don't have this option on the Note 9. You should be able to hear me clearly on the Note 10 Plus. Check, check. Audio check. Let me know if you can hear me better on the Note 10 Plus. So moving back here, the next thing that we want to test is we'll zoom out to the regular viewing distance, and we want to test the video stabilization, of course. So using the regular stabilization on both phones. Let me move further back, and the phones are handheld, no extra gimbals, nothing. Just look at the stabilization. And let's run now. Okay, this should give you an idea about the video stabilization. Another test that we want to perform here is let's move further to the tree bar here and try to focus on the tree, and then move the focus to the background. See which phone is able to switch the focus better. This is continuous autofocusing test on the Note 10 Plus and the Note 9. Focus on the tree, the background. One more time, focus on the tree and the background. And let's also move the phones up and down to see how they adjust up. Further up in the skies you have a brighter exposure, and how the exposure adjusts when you switch it down. Okay guys, this was a quick test of the video cameras on the Note 10 Plus and the Note 9. Which one does better? Let me know in the comments. My name is Vic with PhoneArena, signing out. See you in the next one.